The Council of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Chapter 4. Those not initiated into a sacred order shall not have a voice in the chapter of any cathedral or collegiate church. The qualifications and duties of those who hold benefices therein. Whosoever being employed in the divine offices in a cathedral or collegiate, secular or regular church, is not constituted in the order of subdeaconship at least, shall not have a voice in the chapter of those churches, even though this may have been voluntarily conceded to him by the others. As to those who possess, or shall hereafter possess, in the said churches, any dignities, personates, offices, prebends, portions, and any other manner of benefices whatever, to which various obligations are annexed, such as that some shall say or sing mass, others the gospel, others the epistle, they shall be bound, all just impediment ceasing, to receive the requisite orders within a year, whatsoever may be their privilege, exemption, prerogative, or nobility of birth. Otherwise they shall incur the penalties enacted by the constitution of the Council of Vienne, which begins ut et qui, which by this present decree is renewed, and the bishop shall compel them to exercise in person the aforesaid orders on the appointed days, and to discharge all the other duties required of them in the divine service, under the said penalties, and others even more grievous, which may be imposed at their discretion. Nor for the future shall any such office be assigned to any but those who shall be well known fully to have already the age and other qualifications, otherwise such provision shall be null.